Compound DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Compound is one of the most established decentralized finance DeFi platforms, and today I'll share my hands-on experience. Designed for crypto enthusiasts and investors seeking decentralized lending and borrowing, Compound offers a seamless way to earn interest on your crypto assets or borrow against them without intermediaries. Its core feature is algorithmic money markets, allowing you to supply assets like Ethereum, USDC, or DAI and earn variable interest rates based on demand. On the borrower side, you can access funds by providing collateral, making it an ideal solution for those needing liquidity without selling their holdings. What stood out to me is the platform's user-centric design. Compound's interface is intuitive, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The integration with popular wallets like MetaMask ensures a quick and secure setup. Transparency is another key strength. Interest rates are algorithmically determined and updated in real time, and you can track all transactions on the blockchain. Security is rock solid, with Compound's smart contracts being thoroughly audited, giving users confidence in their fund's safety. My personal experience? The platform is incredibly efficient. Supplying assets was straightforward, and within minutes, I could see my interest accumulating. Borrowing was equally simple. I provided collateral and received a loan instantly. The liquidation system is strict but fair. As long as you monitor your collateral ratio, you can avoid penalties. However, Compound isn't for everyone. It's best suited for those who understand the risks of DeFi, such as volatility and potential smart contract vulnerabilities. Overall, Compound delivers on its promise of decentralized and efficient financial services. It's perfect for earning passive income on idle crypto or accessing liquidity without selling assets. If you're comfortable navigating DeFi risks, Compound is a solid choice. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.